Hey fam, it's your boy Andy again. It's Handy Andy in the house. Looking for another life hack? Well, you're in luck because I'm back in my parents' garage and guess what we're doing today? Talking about hiccups. So what's the best way to get rid of hiccups?
Drink a bunch of water.
Get one of your friends to scare you? Ah! All you gotta do is hold your breath for 10 minutes. I guarantee you'll never have hiccups again. Watch.